Hey, this is Mr. Molo giving you the Project Lead the Way plan for the week. So on the Schoology course page here, you'll see for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week, there's a couple documents in there. So we're going to start making our therapeutic toy. So in this document here, it's going to talk about all the design requirements for the therapeutic toy. And we're going to give you the choice of what kind of toy for which child you want to make. So you're going to read these 6 child profiles. And if you click on them, each of them have a little story about a child and an issue that they have with cerebral palsy. Remember, children with cerebral palsy can have all different kinds of issues and struggles. So each one of these child profiles is different. So just read the first one and then call it good. So child profile 1 is about Alex, and it tells you that his goal is for wrist extension. So if that's something you're like, you read that child profile, you say, oh, that would be something I'd be interested in, then that's something that you can do. Or child profile number 2. When this loads again, I'll have a little story there, and I believe hers is hand-eye coordination. So try to help Haley come up with a toy that'll help her with hand-eye coordination. So it'll give you some things there about each child, and then it'll even give you some toys that exist now that help that child. So you don't have to create a new toy. It's maybe just changing an existing toy that'll better help them. Okay, so there's 6 different children there. You are picking one. Okay, also down at the bottom here is the sign-up sheet, depending if you're in my A-Day class or my B-Day class. If you're in my A-Day class, you go to the A-Day sign-up sheet. Okay, so we have group sign-ups here. So it says in the top for the directions, we're going to start working our way through activity 3.1. So you don't have access to it. That's why we had to put everything in PDF. So on this sheet, you're going to record your first and last name. You can have groups up to 4 people. You can work by yourself, but that just means you're doing more work. So in case you've had bad experience in the past where you don't like working with people and you like to work by yourself, that is perfectly fine. Or if you know someone's going to be not a not so great partner and you're going to be doing most of the work anyway, well, then you're working by yourself. Okay. So in here, group 1, you're going to put your name here and then how you want to be contacted. So if you just say email me, here's my Hastings Apps email, or here's my cell phone number to text me, or whatever you're going to do, and then which child study you're doing. So everyone in your group has to pick the same child study to do. So if you want to work with somebody and they want to do child study 2 and you want to do number 5, well, it doesn't really work for the group. So you're going to put who's in your group, how you want to be contacted, and then your child study number based on those documents back on this page. So all you're doing this week, reading these profiles and picking your group and which child study you're going to be doing.